Greetings everyone. Today, on behalf of room number 12, I, Kartik Sharma, am here to present on the topic nanotechnology. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams by Eleanor Roosevelt. So, what exactly is nanotechnology? It is the branch of technology that deals with those areas of science and engineering where research is conducted to deal with the challenges at microscopic level using dimensions and variations of less than 100 nanometers. Does somebody know about these two people? If not, let me introduce you to the founders of nanotechnology. Richard Feynman, a physicist at American Physical Society meeting in Caltech in 1959, coined the term nanotechnology. In the book There's Plenty of Room at the Bottom. After some time, Norio Taniguchi defined nanotechnology as nanotechnology mainly consists of the processing of separation, consolidation, and deformation of materials by one atom or one molecule.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself first. I am Rohan Kumar and today our group is presenting a presentation on the topic nanotechnology. In that I will discuss about the branches of nanotechnologies and the other things. So basically there are two main branches of nanotechnology. First one is green nanotechnology and the second one is nanoengineering. In green nanotechnology where use of nanotechnology is to enhance environmental sustainabilities, and in nanoengineering where practice of engineering on the nanoscale. Some other multidisciplinary fields that include nanotechnologies, for example, nanomedicine, carbon nanotubes, nanoelectronics, nanophotonics, microtextiles, nanosecurity, nanopollutions, and all that. We can explain one by one as well. So the first one is nanomedicine. As we all know that the concept of nanomedicine was given by Albert R. Hibbs and Richard Feynman. These guys give the basic concept of nanomedicines. They just assuming to swallow a mechanical surgeon inside a blood vessel and it goes into the hearts and look around where any problem happens. Take a little knife and slices out, which is in a funny way. And at that time, these guys just assuming a possibility has now become a reality and changing our lives as well. There are some other applications of medical nanotechnologies in drugs, medicine, therapeutics. Nanotechnology can deliver drugs into a specific parts of body, thereby making them more effective and less harmful to the other parts of bodies. In surgeries also, with nanotechnology, minute surgical instruments and robots can be made which can be performed in minor surgeries into the any parts of bodies. In robotics medical, potential applications of nanobotics include early diagnosis, targeted drugs delivery for cancer, medical instruments, surgeries, monitoring for diabetes and healthcare, and etc. Future medical nanotechnology is expected to employ nanobots into the injected parts into the patient to perform treatment on the cellular level, etc. And all these things of nanomedicines, which is a great aspect as future in future, and we can see how nanotechnology changes our lives in day-to-day lives. Thank you. This is from my side. Please proceed the next one.
Hello everyone. Previously we discussed about what is nanotechnology and one of its types, nanomedicine. Now, you may have seen transparent and flexible displays in mobile phones. If yes or no, I am going to tell you about what is it about. So I am Aditya Ranjan from Group 12. I am going to tell you about on carbon nanotube and its applications. A carbon nanotube is a tube-shaped material made up of sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Carbon nanotubes are formed from essentially the graphite sheets and the graphite layers. Nanotubes are the members of the fluorine structure family. Nanotube was discovered in the suit of arc discharge by Japanese researcher Sumio Izima. There are two types of carbon nanotubes. First is single wall nanotubes and second is multi-walled nanotubes. If we talk about its properties, then it has the highest tensile strength with the highest modulus of elasticity. Hardness of CNTs are greater than any diamond. Because of sp2 hybridizer atom, it is also good conductor of electricity. Multi-walled nanotubes are the microwave regime. Method of preparation. There are basically four methods of preparation, but most of them, two are commonly used, which is the first one is arc method, and second one is chemical vapor deposition. And third method is laser ablation and ball milling. Hybrid, and now, if we talk about its application, it has a tremendous applications in our daily life, like hybrid power generation, which can be used to easily charge your car, car batteries. Carbon nanotubes are a base transparent conducting films in displays and touch screens. It is also alternative to expensive indium titanium oxide, which is used in our recent displays. It is also flexible, not a brittle. It has a very high capacity of energy storage in supercapacitors with a single walled carbon nanotubes. The carbon nanotubes films have the 90% transparency. Thank you from my side.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar and my application number is P003803, and today the topic of presenting in all about nanotechnology in storage energy. And now I am going to talk about it. Nanotechnology in storage energy. Application of nanotechnology has been implemented to benefit many areas of energy obtained and storage using devices such as fuel cells, batteries, electrical storage capacitance. My first topic is nanotechnology in fuel cells. Use platinum nanoparticles instead of solid platinum surface. It increases efficiency and allows much less metal to be used. It also reduces the cost of manufacturing of fuel cells, which can also help in environment safe. And my next topic is nanotechnology in batteries. The nanotechnology batteries makes very thing possible from a hybrid vehicles capable of giving half kilometer per liter to batteries powered fabric which enables solder to plug electronic devices into their uniform. Nanotech makes more efficient batteries that last at least 9 times longer. The nano batteries, to be more specific, has the potential to be used in the following: electric vehicles, mobiles, industries, and many other fields. And my third topic is nanotechnology in solar energy. The researches and development of solar cells using nanotechnology is probably the most promising for alternatives energy production. Classic nanostructure used as carbon nanotubes, quantum dots are being used to make solar cells lighter and more efficient. They produce large voltage enhancement with improved power performance. And thank you all for listening my presentation.
Hey everyone, my name is Akshat STHAPAK and my application number is 3000213, and I'm a member of the group 12, and today I'll be speaking on the topic nanoelectronics. As we all know, nanoelectronics refers to the use of nanotechnology in electrical components. The term covers a diverse set of devices, components, and materials which are only a few nanometers in size, and hence the interatomic interaction and quantum properties need to be studied very carefully so we can create a very powerful, portable, and a high-speed working device. Even nanotech is used in Avengers Infinity War by Iron Man. Just a reference. Now, I would like to tell you about the different nanoelectronic devices. First one is the spintronics. Beside transistors, spintronics plays a very important role in the building of the quantum computing and to research about the quantum theory. The second one is displays. The displays include organic LEDs, electronic paper, and field emission displays. Now, the third one is nanoelectronics and energy. Solar cells and supercapacitors are the example of nanoelectronics playing a major role in energy. Now, the last one is molecular electronics, the process that occurs inside the molecule. So we can create a very molecularly electronic device. Now, that's all from my side. Now, I would like to call Rakesh Kumar to present on the topic nanophotonics.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohan Maheshwari and my application number is T002504. And today my group is presenting a presentation about nanotechnology. And in that I will be discussing about nanotech in defense and security. So as we all know, nanotechnology holds strong promises for the use in defense industry. Nanotechnology offers existing equipment to be not only smaller but lighter and use less energy. Nanotechnology has a potential to reduce cost with its multiple applications and the inherent ability to produce new materials like non-corroding and flexible iron. And now I will discuss about application of nanotech in defense and security. First application is aerospace application. In aerospace, defense primary application is improving strength to weight ratios. As an example, nanotechnology is being applied to aluminum to change phases and microstructure in order to make it perform like titanium, but without the weight. Now, the second application is a weapon system. Developments in weapon technology takes place in both the direction of more lethal as well as non-lethal weapons. For non-lethal weapons, the focus is on precision targeting and lightweight. For non-lethal weapons, to neutralize the enemy temporarily. Third one is naval vessels. Metal is being replaced by high-strength nano-composite plastic to reduce weight. It also has smart components like load monitoring sensor, self-healing, and on long-term self-repairing. Thank you so much, and that's all from my side. And now I would like to invite Aditya Raj to continue further. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rakesh Kumar. Today my application number is T006591. Today the topic of my presentation is nanophotonics. Now I am going to talk about it. First of all, what is nanophotonics? Nanophotonics or nano-optics is the study of the behavior of light on the nanometer scale. It is considered as a branch of optical engineering which deals with optics or the interaction of light with optics or the interaction of light with particle or substances at wavelength scale. After that, it is also raisable question is that why nanophotonics is so important. The simple and modified answer is that we can start controlling and manipulating their interaction, leading to invention like a new way for cancer diagnosis and treatment or photonic quantum. Nanophotonics devices are crucial to control the properties of quantum emitters and improve their functionality too. That's all from my side. Thank you. Then in our mind, what are the applications based on the nanophotonics? Then one of the most important application based on the nanophotonics is optical fiber. Optical fiber in long distance transmission, it is very useful. It is of a small size and low weight. It is also immunity to electrical interference. It also increased signal security. In today's world, the use of wireless communication is rapidly increasing. The main power consumption for the use of nanotechnology in wireless devices are high performance, low power consumption, compact size, and novel features too.
My name is Onkar Deshmukh and my application ID is T006174. Today I am going to discuss about nanocell, the basic building blocks. Nanocell is a three-dimensional or two-dimensional network of self-assembled metallic particles connected by molecules that show reprogrammable NDR of programming their neighboring nanocells. So what is NDR? NDR is a characteristics of a resistance which is dependent on temperature, and temperature is a physical quantity. Given below are nanocell structure. The left figure denotes binary number 0 and 1 which are depicted by electron and quantum dot respectively. Secondly, the right figure denotes the mathematical operations based on the binary number 0 and 1 which gives a certain output. Now going to the second slide, what is the characteristics of a nanocell? Nanocell is approximately of a 1 meter size or shape, which is based on the standard lithographic wiring. And lithographic wiring is a branch which comes under nanolithography. Also, nanolithography is a technique which is a complex process. Now, coming to the CPU, how it is used in computer. Nanocells are widely used in computer such that there are arrays of nanocells which are working in parallel, and also transistor. Coming to the next slide, we can see about the uses of a nanocell. Nanocells is widely used in electronics world. They are used in inverters. Second, NAND gates. Third, 1-bit adder, half adders. These have been these have been these had been discovered with the help of nanocell, and also a wide use of nanocell is in VLSI designing. VLSI designing stands for very large scale integration, which is based on designing transistor or fitting transistor more than thousands in a single IC chip, which are uh, which are uh, which are situated in a device, and the device which we use in today's world. Now coming to the figure below, which is shown by the two LCD screen, there we are able to see the colorful nanocells which are used in the technology. So I would like to hand over next person to continue the presentation. Mr. Prashant Kumar, please continue.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya Raj and my application number is 0029. As you all know, today my group is presenting a presentation on nanotechnology. And in that, I will be discussing about nanotechnology in textiles. So first of all, talking about textile industry, growing demand of customers about functionally and durable clothing, which are sustainably manufactured, has created the slot for nanotechnology to be integrated in the sector of textiles. Nanotechnology has its application in such of the sector nowadays. Now, the first question arises in our mind, why nanotechnology in textiles? There are certain disadvantages of conventional method. That are reduced breathability, less comfortable after long use. Nanotechnology can provide high durability due to high surface energy, large surface area to volume ratio. So now finally, we are discussing about application of nanotechnology. How nanotechnology is used in textile industries. Uh, Nanofabric applications have potential to revolutionize textile manufacturing and medical fields such as drug delivery and tissue engineering. The second one is the first first generation of nano enhancement. Textile benefited from nano finishing. The third one is nanotextiles are used in clothing also. Like for example, silver nanoparticles is used in clothing to kill the bacteria known to be cause odorness. So that's all from my side. I request Mr. Rohit Kumar to continue his topic from here. Uh, Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Onkar. My name is Prashant Kumar and my application number is T001809. This is my PPT. Hope this is visible. Topic of my PPT is disadvantages of the nanotechnology. As my old friend discussed about the uses and importance of the nanotechnology, but I am here to explain about the disadvantages of nanotechnology. There are so many disadvantages of nanotechnology, but the major disadvantages of the nanotechnology are health and safety issue. Nano pollution is created by toxic waste, create social strife through increasing weather gap. Atomic weapons could be more accessible and destructive, loss of jobs in manufacturing and farming. First, we discuss about the health and safety issue. Nanoparticles can cause serious illness or damage to human body. Carbon nanotubes could cause infection of lungs, which is very dangerous to the human body. Hazards and risk of nanoparticles includes increased production of ROS, DNA damage, genetic effects, damage to organs and tissues in human. Now we discuss about nanopollution. Nanopollution refers to all the waste matter and byproduct that occur during the manufacturing or use of nanoscopic device or material. Nanomaterial such as carbon nanotubes and nanofibers may cause detrimental pulmonary effects such as pulmonary fibrosis. Thank you. This is from my side, and next topic will be discussed by my next classmate Kartik Sharma. So I am requesting to Kartik Sharma to please continue with his topic. Thank you.
Present state and future prospects of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is one of the most important technological advancements of the 21st century that ushers a futuristic industrial revolution. This technology works by exploiting unique characteristics of nano-sized particles to create new and improved versions that mainly conduct the same role while helping in managing other side tasks. Nanotech gives us knowledge about its evolutionary stages in fields of material science and other related fields. So, seeing into recent developments, it's safe to say that nanotech may lead us to the fifth industrial revolution. Also, now that it's one of today's main technologies, it helps in advancements in the fields of science and technology. So, hope you all learned about nanotech and enjoyed our presentation as much as we enjoyed to present the same to you. Thank you.